We got an old AMC 304 block we're doing a rebuild on. I just got it out of my surfacer and I got it on my CK10. So I'm gonna hone the cylinders. These things are pretty beat up, so I'm gonna give it a couple strokes and show you how bad these things are. So I got the machine all set up. So let's give this thing a couple strokes. I'm gonna dwell at the bottom of the cylinders, kind of enlarge the bottom to kind of straighten these things up, these first couple strokes. Like I said, we're just giving it a couple strokes just to show you guys how beat up these things are. This thing was probably using quite a bit of oil. Always when honing, you have to scrub those stones together. It kind of deglazes them. They just get a bunch of debris on there and glaze up and don't do what they need to do. Geez, look at this thing after a couple of strokes. It's pretty hammered at the top. Just a big old lip. You can catch that with your nail. Let's put a bore gauge in it and actually show you what's going on. So the tin right here is standard. I set my gauge for 30 over. So we're about maybe 4-ish on that. Then at the top, just hammered. We're about 18. Look at that. Just hammered. This thing, like I said, they were probably adding oil daily to this thing and just chugging along with it. It was probably getting more miles per gallon than miles per quarts of oil. Like I said, this thing was probably just smoking along down the road. You know those cars. That's just a little short one for you guys. Come back again and watch me finish this thing up. Like I said, we're doing a whole engine rebuild. My dad already did the rods. We're doing up the heads. We're going to assemble this whole thing as a long block. So come back again and watch me finish this thing.